We're going to take you from the entrance to Adventure Island on a walk tour, walking. It's mid-July, and we're going to take a left to get to it. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. It goes in 15-minute cycles, 9 minutes off, 6 minutes of waves. And so we got about 2.5 minutes left. I'll speed it up a little bit. We'll check it out here. Guess they started them early. Everything's a little thrown off now. We're gonna go in there and check them out. Waves. Not huge waves. Five more minutes. I know, it started early. Yeah, this will be 7 minutes. Going all the way up. It stopped. And that was it. It stopped a little early.